What is forward testing in Metatrader 5 platform? Hello, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and very often as a trader you can try to backtest your strategies. And if you go in overview and pick a single expert advisor testing, you will see this forward option. And a lot of traders and people ask, what is forward? People think, oh, this is something for future, and very often do not understand the meaning of this option in Metatrader 5. And I know the definition is different on various websites, but I will try to give you very simple definition. Forward testing and backward testing, both testing test data from the past. Forward testing is just another data set that you backtest in your strategy. Nothing more. So forward is just another data set. I will show right now. For example, I will choose to test from the January 2022 and today March 17. What I will do, I will choose 1/2, 1/2. It's a 1/2. What it means is, from the January 1, 2022 up to March 17, 2023, the half of data set is on 9 August 2022. As you can see here, just here in forward testing, right now, Metatrader 5 platform will split the data in two equal data sets. The first one from January 1, 2022 up to August 9, 2022 up to March 17, 2023. So two data sets. Right now I will just press start. I choose daily time frame and I use some pre-made custom expert advisor just to have just a few seconds. And right now we are waiting. And what happens? Just here below, overview, settings, inputs, backtest and forward test. What it means is the backtest is the test for the first half of data set and the second half is forward testing. So both data sets are in the past, of course. So both data sets are from the past. Backtest is the first data set, older data set, and forward testing is the newer data set. However, we can see, for example, that profit factor was 0.95 for the first half of data set, and after that it was 0.78. So people very often ask why we are using this forward testing. What is the point? I can use back testing twice. Yes, but you will just spare your time, nothing more. This would speed your testing, and I will show how. For example, let me do this experiment. I will use, for example, what I will do here, I will use a custom, and I will choose here the date. For example, I will use January 1st, 2023. What I will do right now, I will split data sets. One data set will be whole 2022 year, and another data set will be this year, 2023. And in that case, I will get two data sets and I will speed up my backtesting. I can compare. For example, in the first part, in 2022, I can optimize my inputs. I can, for example, test, optimize, do everything, maybe machine learning something. I can improve my expert advisor. And then when I do like this, I will test on the 2023 data set just to see is the performance as good as in 2022. I will press start button and we will see what will happen. Of course, I didn't do any optimization in 2022, but usually if I do some kind of optimization in 2022, in that case, for example, the backtest will be 0.72 for profit factor, for example, and profit factor for forward is 1.36. Of course, if I did some kind of optimization, my backtest will always be better. Usual 95% of the case will be better than 2023. But this is some kind of optimizations and machine learning method. You know, when you have a train set in machine learning, you train on that set and you get excellent results. Of course, when you take a test set, you will get some result, and always that results will be worse, of course. But it is important that be decent results, to be okay results, not so bad results, and this is the whole catch here. So I repeat again, forward testing is nothing special. It is not some future test or something like that, some extraordinary tool that we have in Metatrader 5. It is as same as backtest, nothing special. It just is the way to split your data in two data set and compare the data set. Usually traders do that, for example, split 2 years. So I want to see how my expert advisor was in 2022 and how it was in 2023, and I can compare my profit factor, my drawdown, my highest loss, my highest winning trade, etc., and that to be better. So this is the whole story. I hope that you learned something, and please ask questions just below this video about forward and back testing, and maybe in future I will create new video to answer on your question. I wish you a great day and bye bye.